Hello, garden enthusiasts. Are you looking to revamp your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing 5 simple yet creative landscaping ideas that will transform your garden into a haven of beauty and tranquility. Idea number 1. Vertical gardening. Let's start with maximizing space with vertical gardening. Hang pots on walls or fences to add greenery without sacrificing ground space. Not only does vertical gardening save space, but it also adds depth and visual interest to your garden. Idea number 2. Pathway pizzazz. Next up, let's talk pathways. Create a charming walkway using stepping stones, gravel, or even reclaimed wood. Add personality with winding paths, or incorporate LED lights for a magical ambiance during evening strolls. Idea number 3. Colorful plant palette. Now, let's splash some color. Choose a variety of flowers and plants to create a vibrant and dynamic garden. Mix textures and heights for visual appeal, and don't forget to consider seasonal blooms for year-round color. Idea number 4. Cozy seating nooks. Who doesn't love a cozy nook to unwind in? Create inviting seating areas with comfy chairs, benches, or even a swing. Surround your seating with fragrant flowers or lush greenery for the ultimate relaxation spot. Idea number 5. Water features. Lastly, let's add some zen with a water feature. Whether it's a fountain, pond, or waterfall, the sound of flowing water brings tranquility to any garden. Not only do water features create a soothing atmosphere, but they also attract birds and wildlife, enhancing the overall ambiance. Final thoughts. And there you have it, 5 garden landscaping ideas to elevate your outdoor space. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these simple yet effective tips will help you create a stunning garden that you can enjoy for years to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!